Sold in more than 140 countries, these potato chips offer an incredible variety of flavors, some exclusive to certain regions. Get ready to embark on an epic and crunchy adventure, uncovering all the secrets behind the making of Pringles. From the farms where the potatoes are grown to the final packaging, we will explore each step, revealing the details that make this product a global icon. They were created in 1967 by Procter Gamble as a response to a challenge: to create a potato snack that would not break easily and would stay fresh longer. The innovative solution was Pringles, with its unique shape and revolutionary packaging. Pringles quickly won over the public, becoming a global success. Over the years, the brand reinvented itself, launching new flavors and expanding into new markets. But the essence of Pringles remains the same: a crunchy, tasty, and fun snack that accompanies moments of joy and relaxation. The parabolic shape of Pringles, known as a hyperbolic paraboloid, ensures they fit perfectly together, preventing breakage. The Pringles can was invented by Frederic Baur, an organic chemist. He was so proud of his creation that he asked to be cremated and have his ashes stored in a Pringles can. The production of Pringles begins on farms, with the cultivation of specially selected potatoes. These potatoes are not the same as the ones we find in supermarkets. They are hand-picked for their unique characteristics, such as high starch content, firm texture, and mild flavor, which ensure the unmistakable quality of Pringles. Experienced farmers dedicate themselves to cultivating these potatoes, using advanced techniques to ensure optimal development. The soil is carefully prepared, irrigation is precisely controlled, and constant monitoring prevents pests and diseases. The varieties of potatoes used are the result of years of research and development, always seeking the perfect combination of flavor and texture for Pringles. The harvest is an important moment, and technology comes into play to ensure maximum efficiency. Next-generation harvesters move through the fields, delicately removing potatoes without damage. Smart sensors identify the ideal ripeness, ensuring potatoes are harvested at the perfect time. Next, the potatoes are carefully transferred to trucks that take them to the factory. Upon arrival at the factory, the potatoes are received by a team of staff who perform a rigorous quality inspection. Each potato is individually analyzed, checking for spots, cuts, or any imperfection that could compromise the product's quality. The approved potatoes move on to the next stage, while those not meeting the standards are discarded. Next, the potatoes are washed in an automated system that removes any soil residue or impurities. Delicate brushes and purified water jets ensure a thorough cleaning without damaging the skin. After washing, the potatoes are steam peeled, a process that maximizes their nutrients and flavor and is also more sustainable. The next step is steaming. The potatoes are cooked in large tanks, under controlled temperature and pressure, until they reach the ideal texture for mash production. This process ensures a homogeneous and lump-free mash, which is fundamental for the final texture of Pringles. The potato mash, now ready, is taken to the mixing stage, where the Pringles magic begins to happen. In large mixing tanks, the puree is combined with other carefully selected ingredients, such as an emulsifier, cornstarch, rice flour, and dehydrated potato flakes. This precise mixture is the secret to the light and crispy texture that truly sets Pringles apart from other potato chips. Each ingredient plays a fundamental role. Cornstarch helps to provide lightness and uniformity to the dough. Rice flour adds a delightful crispness, and the special touch is provided by dehydrated potato flakes, which truly intensify both the flavor and the aroma. The exact proportion of each ingredient is a closely guarded secret, resulting in readiness to be packaged and sent to the final consumers. The resulting dough, now with the perfect consistency, is transported to the molding area. High-precision machines spread the dough in thin layers on conveyor belts that move at a constant speed. Then, a cutting system with very sharp blades cuts the dough into the characteristic oval shape of Pringles. This stage requires strict control of temperature, pressure, and speed to ensure the uniformity and integrity of each potato. Laser sensors monitor the thickness of the dough, ensuring that all Pringles have the same crunchiness and cooking time. The potatoes, still moving on the conveyor belt, proceed to the curvature molding stage. Special molds with a concave shape gently press the potatoes, giving them the iconic curve. This curvature isn't merely an aesthetic concern. It ensures the chips are more resistant, allowing them to be stacked in the can without breaking. Beyond their strength, the curve also provides a unique sensory experience, distributing the flavor evenly across the chip's entire surface. The curve allows the tongue to make contact with a larger area of the chip, intensifying the perception of flavor. The next step is frying, a crucial moment to ensure the crispness and unmistakable flavor of Pringles. The molded potatoes are immersed in high-quality vegetable oil, heated to a precise temperature. The frying time is precisely controlled, ensuring the potatoes are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The oil is constantly monitored and filtered to ensure product quality and safety. After frying, the chips go through a ventilation system that removes excess oil, ensuring a dry and crispy snack. Once the crispiness is guaranteed, it's time to add the flavor. Pringles then pass through a seasoning tunnel where they're coated with a unique blend of spices and condiments, including salt. Every Pringles flavor boasts its own unique secret recipe, meticulously crafted by experts to deliver a truly unforgettable taste experience. The seasonings are applied uniformly, ensuring that each and every chip has the perfect flavor. The variety of available flavors is truly immense, ranging from classics like original, sour cream and onion, and cheese, to more exotic options such as pizza, roasted chicken, and crab. Finally, Pringles, now crisp, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned, are carefully stacked in their iconic cans. The can, besides protecting the chips, is a globally recognized design icon. Its cylindrical shape ensures that the chips arrive intact to the consumer, and the aluminum-lined interior preserves the freshness and the crunchiness. The can's lid is designed specifically to guarantee a perfect seal, keeping the potato chips fresh for a much longer time. The design of the can also facilitates easy stacking, both on the shelves of the supermarket and inside your kitchen pantry. And that concludes today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.